Hi everyone, this is Dr. Christina Romcook and I'm coming to you from the United States. And I wanted to say a special thank you to Julia and to Lev and to all of you guys over there in Ukraine. I wish I could be there and I apologize that I'm not. I can't wait to see you guys soon. I heard that we are rescheduling for May or June and hopefully I will be there then. I love Ukraine, as you guys know, and I'm very thankful that you guys are part of my lives. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about our products and how important they are. You know, I talk a lot about our city and how important our city is and how our bodies have a living, breathing city inside. In order for that city to be healthy, it has to protect itself. So one of the things that our products do is to help the body get rid of things that it doesn't want, because you guys know black cumin seed, which is in most of our products, if it's used in a high enough concentration and in the right method, and we've done it in the right method because we've used a cold press method that really helps preserve the oil and the powder and everything great about the black cumin seed. It helps basically repel bad things. So repel, it means not let them come in, and then protect the good things and even bring in more nutrients that the body needs. You know, there's a lot of viruses, bacteria, fungus, and parasites that are everywhere around us, and every country's different. But one thing we're all fighting right now is a coronavirus, and I never claim as your chief science advisor to tell you guys what to do, but I also am here to educate you and help you guys understand how our products help people. The black cumin seed oil that is in the core, the bend, the sole, the red sole is extremely helpful for the body to protect those cells so that if it is infected by a virus or something, the cells can fight it. I talk to you guys all the time about in that city, they're talking like they're on the phone, and when bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungus comes in, especially like a virus, it tries to talk to the other cells and help and tries to get them to be bad, because this virus tries to take over the host, and the host is the body. So it tries to infiltrate or put itself in throughout the whole body. And as a science researcher, I worked for Bristol Myers Squibb. I was a senior medical science director where I worked on medical, clinical, and science when it came to HIV, AIDS, and different types of viruses, as well as hepatitis. So I'm very familiar with how viruses act. They actually gave me a respect for the human body because I know how magical we can be in fighting it, but you've got to give your body the tools it needs so that it can fight it. And so what you need to do is put things into your body, and we have great things like Soul and Bend and Core and Red Soul that helps the body do that. It's the ingredients that we put in there that are the specific types of oils which cause apoptosis, which is bad cell death, and also help the good cells thrive. And that's what you want. And then they can fight things, because we're going to be exposed to bad things. The most important thing is that you can fight those bad things. So anyway, I hope everyone has a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing everyone soon. I want to make sure that you guys know that Pure is good to take in the morning, and that while your bodies are on a offense of not making bad or not letting bad things come in, make sure you take products throughout the day. If you don't have enough money to buy more than one product, then make sure you take different tablespoons throughout the day, every couple of hours, so that your body can fight anything that it's exposed to. Thanks everyone. Again, I miss you guys, love you guys, and I can't wait to see you soon.